afternoon, Mike. This is Tina with Prime Mercedes here on Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. I want to thank you for reaching out to us today on this beautiful 2013 C-Class, priced at $16,991. It only has 52,000 miles on it. Most Mainers would consider that barely broken in. The object of this video is to give you a virtual tour of the vehicle. So come on in and let's take a peek at that front end. You're going to see those wraparound headlights, nice chrome accents, your air intakes. You're going to see your sensors as we go through the video. Mercedes emblem proudly displayed. The paint on this is beautiful. Nice black. I want you to take a look at the rims. New tires. Beautiful multi-spoked rims, and you can see those perforated rotors and the big heavy calipers. Your side mirrors have indicators. Let's pop the trunk for you. You can see your Mercedes badging. Trunk is super, super clean. Can't believe this is a 2013. So I have some grocery bag holders. I have a first aid kit. You will find my fuses here. If you want to put the seats down, it's just a simple pull right here. Even a little handy dandy handle for closing that trunk. And again, your Mercedes badging, your dual exhaust. Let's take a look at the rear passenger compartment. Upholstery is beautiful. I want you to see that the back seat does have a 12-volt outlet. We do have window locks, heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, sunroof, rear fog light, power seats with 3 memory settings, Bluetooth, backup camera. This can be operated in several different modes, eco or sport. But next, Mike, let's go for a spin. All right, Mike, I'm gonna start this up. Engine sounds really nice. I've got my cruise control. I have an adjustable steering wheel, my rain sensing windshield wipers, my automatic headlights. I've got one little rear fog light so I'm more visible. You can see my eco function, my heated seats, and adjustable temperature, my environmental controls. I have a CD player, I've got radio, I have pre-wiring for navigation, I have Bluetooth, I have my eco and sport mode I talked to you about, and the system is very easy to scroll through here with the toggle, and we have a nice Harman Kardon sound system. You've got your sunroof. I have programmable 3 garage door openers here on the side mirror with a little bit of navigation, tells me my direction of travel. And next, I want to take you for a little spin around the dealership. So when you buy a car from us, Mike, you're going to get loaner service, valet service. If you can't come to us, we'll come to you with a hauler. Every single Saturday, we do hand car washes for our clients. So as long as you own this vehicle, you can come see us on Saturday. We have a beautiful lounge with Wi-Fi, snacks, Starbucks coffee, and our detail department will hand wash this vehicle for you. So Mike, I'd love to schedule a test drive for you to come see this beautiful 2013 C-Class for yourself. Handles beautifully. My cell phone number is area code 207-229-2739. Thank you so much for your time, Michael. Have a wonderful day.